What is going on, you guys? Alex here with EV Sportline, bringing you another product install video. Today we're back with the Rivian R1T, and we're going to be installing a Builtright Industries MOLLE panel on the rear cab wall in the bed. We're going to walk you through the install today, give you an overview of the product, and show you how you can install this yourself pretty easily. Let's go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so inside the box, we're going to be supplied with the two MOLLE panels and all the installation hardware. So we have a passenger side and a driver side here. The passenger side is going to be the one with the flange here with the threaded inserts, and that's how we're going to attach the driver side here. So when we go to install these, we're going to want to install the passenger side panel here first, and then our driver side panel is going to kind of sit on top of it, and we'll bolt them two together like that. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our hardware now and this passenger side panel, and we're going to go into the truck bed. All right, at the back of the bed on the cab wall here, there's going to be 8 little spots with these circular plastic covers. We're going to need to find a little pick or a small flathead screwdriver, and we're just going to need to pry these off. So there's a metal ring here that the plastic clips into, and you can see it's a very thin lip on the plastic, so you barely need to get the tool in there. You want to make sure you're not underneath the metal, because you're just going to bend your tool. So a small screwdriver or a pick definitely works best here. All right, once all 8 covers are removed, we can set these to the side. We won't be reusing them. Now we'll need to get a 10mm socket, and we're going to remove all 8 of these bolts. So when you get a bolt removed, the metal washer is going to want to come with it. Make sure you hang on to these, because we are going to be reusing these metal washers when we put the MOLLE panel on. So we have 8 bolts here that are going to replace the 8 we just removed from the cab panel. Those 10mm bolts we removed will not be reused. We'll be using these longer ones. And then these 3 right here are going to attach our driver side MOLLE panel to our passenger side. So we want to get all of our hardware out and grab our passenger side MOLLE panel, and we're going to start assembling. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 holes here we're going to pre-assemble our hardware for. And we want to make sure that the flat side here is facing out. See, on the back side, the threaded inserts are going to be protruding a bit. These are going to face in towards the cab. So with our flat side out like this, we're going to start assembling our hardware. So we're going to take a bolt and a washer. We'll go ahead and slip this through. We're going to take one of our spacers with the text facing the MOLLE panel, so we'll put that on like that. And then one of these plastic retaining washers is just going to go on the end, and it's going to keep all this together. So now we can kind of do this hands-free without having to hold all this hardware. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other 4 holes. All right, now with our hardware assembled, the last thing to do is to go ahead and put the factory metal washers back on. And they're just going to sit like this and kind of hug that spacer. So I'm going to put one on each of our 4 hardware setups here. And now we can line this up with the holes in the truck bed. Just kind of lay it into place like this. All right, so that's gonna do it today for our installation of the Builtright MOLLE panel for this Rivian R1T. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more videos coming very soon. Lastly, if you want to check this product out for yourself, you can do that at evsportline.com. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.